Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you all from stations far and wide. Tonight, we bring you a most unusual program, a glimpse into the world of tomorrow. A world where coins ain't made of silver, where motor cars drive themselves, where thinking machines hum a tune and romance travels along the wires. So gather round your sets and hold on to your hats as we present the Electric Swing Orchestra! Play on, boys. Let's see what the future's got in store.
Step right up, folks! Got yourself a nickel, a dime? Forget that jingle in your pocket. I got something that lives in the wires! I was down on my luck, feeling low and mean, counting coppers in a broke man's dream. Then a slick-haired fella said, "Kid, take note, there's a brand new racket gonna keep you afloat. No banks, no suits, no gold in sight, just numbers dancing in the pale moonlight. It's a high-tech hustle, but it's on the square. Strike it rich from a lounge chair. I don't savvy all the lingo they spin, but those digits climbing, hot dog, I'm in. Ring-a-ding, hear that ticker sing, riding high on a blockchain swing. No mint, no vault, no king, no crown, just a jazzy little coin going up, not down. Buy low, sell high, let the good times play in a digital speakeasy night and day. Grab your hat, pal, don't be late. We're making hay on a brand new rate. Flappers chat about a thing called coin. Big shots wonder if they ought to join. Bootleg traders on a neon line, swapping bits instead of bathtub gin. There's a buzz in the air like a hot jazz band, from the Bowery streets to a far-off land. Every wise guy saying this is the score, the kind of dough we ain't seen before. Market jumping like a jitterbug queen. One day you're broke, next day obscene. Ring-a-ding, hear that ticker sing, riding high on a blockchain swing. No mint, no vault, no king, no crown, just a jazzy little coin going up, not down. Buy low, sell high, let the good times play in a digital speakeasy night and day. Grab your hat, pal, don't be late. We're making hay on a brand new rate. Bada-bop, bada-boom, watch it climb, watch it zoom, hash and chain, ain't it insane? Money floating in the air. Take it easy, don't blow your stack. This game might bite you back, but with a little nerve and a dash of finesse, you could land in swell success. Coppers scratching heads in doubt, trying to figure what it's all about. But the cats downtown all know the show. This digital dough's the way to go. From a smoky joint to a penthouse high, everybody watching that number fly. It's a wild new world, I'll take that chance, long as that coin keeps up its dance. Ring-a-ding, hear that ticker sing, riding high on a blockchain swing. No mint, no vault, no king, no crown, just a jazzy little coin going up, not down. Buy low, sell high, let the good times roll. Got a pocket full of dreams and a digital soul. Raise a glass, let's celebrate. We're swinging big on a brand new fate. Say, pal, you still carry cash? What a flat tire. Now hold the phone, pal. You're telling me this contraption don't need a driver? Ah, you're pulling my leg! I met a fella down on 5th and Main, talking about a ride that ain't quite the same. No chauffeur, no reins, no hand on the wheel, says the thing just rolls of its own free will. I said, buddy, that's a gag, that's rich. He said, no sir, this ain't no glitch. It thinks, it turns, it knows the street, a motor car with a mind so sweet. I laughed so hard, near lost my hat, said no one's gonna fall for that. Oh, step aside, let the future pass. A ghost in the wheel and a tank full of class. No driver, no hands, just glide and glide in a wild new horseless driving itself right. And they say it runs on electricity. Yeah, that current's got some audacity. No gas, no fumes, no smoky fuss, just lightning pushing the lot of us. Now the highbrow cats all scoff and sneer. Next you'll say it pours your beer. But the young blood dolls and the shop-dressed gents say this here's the future, makes perfect sense. No cranking engines, no greasy hands, just silent humming through the land. From the alleyways to the boulevard bright, it rolls like a dream in the dead of night. Old-timers grumble it just ain't right, while the rest of us holler, what a sight! Step aside, let the future pass. A ghost in the wheel and a tank full of class. No driver, no hands, just glide and glide in a wild new horseless driving itself right. And they say it runs on electricity. That spark's got style and velocity. No gas, no fumes, no rattling grind, just a slick little current behind. Bada bing, bada da boom, hear that quiet zoom. No engine coughing, no kaboom, kaboom. If it thinks and drives, what's next, my friend? A motor car riding checks again. Well, I don't know how and I don't know why, but I'll take a spin before I say goodbye. A seat, said alright, let's dance. Figured I'd give this gag a chance. No hands on the wheel, just a gentle glide. And I swear that crate knew where to ride. Turned every corner smooth as gin. Not a bump nor a reckless spin. I tip my hat, said ain't this a thrill, to trust your luck to a thinking wheel. Step aside, let the future pass. A ghost in the wheel and a tank full of class. No driver, no hands, just glide and glide in a wild new horseless driving itself right. And they say it runs on electricity. Well, I'll be dipped, that's modern wizardry. No gas, no fumes, no noisy flight, just riding smooth on a bolt of light. Say, maybe keep your hands off the wheel, huh? What a time to be alive! Step right up, folks. Moving pictures all night long, and you don't even gotta leave your chair. I walked into a parlor just the other night. Saw a crowd all staring at a flickering light. No stage, no band, no singer in sight. Just shadows dancing black and white. No nickel down, no usher's call. Just endless reels upon the wall. I said, how long's this program run? They said, pal, it ain't never done. I laughed it off, said that's a gag. Then I pulled up a chair and I never came back. It's the endless picture show, don't you know? Round and round, let the stories flow. No final act, no curtain call. Just one more scene and that's not all. From high-class dames to gangster fights to lovey-dovey candlelight. You blink once, you miss the play, but there's 10 more rolling anyway. Flappers used to dance till dawn. Now they're glued to the glow till the night is gone. The fellas ain't chasing skirts no more. They're watching pictures by the score. Comedy, tragedy, thrills and chills, all piped in steady with no frills. 1,000 tales in a single seat, and every last one can't be beat. I said this joint's got no off switch. They said sit tight, pal, here comes another pitch. It's the endless picture show, don't you know? Round and around, let the stories flow. No final act, no curtain call. Just one more scene and that's not all. From wild romances to daring escapes to heroes wearing capes and capes. You lose track of night and day, but the reels keep spinning anyway. Bada bing, bada boom, in a darkened room, faces glowing in the gloom. No one talks, no one moves, just staring at them dancing grooves. Laugh on cue, cry on time, living life through pantomime. pantomime. Now I tried to leave, but I lost the doors at just one more picture. Then I watched four more. My hat tipped low, eyes wide and bright. I ain't seen the sun in a week or a night. The world outside keeps rolling on, but in this room it's always on. I said, boys, this ain't just a show. It's a place a man might never go. It's the endless picture show, don't you know? Round and round, let the stories flow. No final act, no curtain call. Just one more scene and that's not all. So grab a seat and stay a while. Lose your worries, lose your style in this grand non-stop display, where tomorrow's just another play. Say, what picture's this again? Ah well, don't matter, roll it. Now they tell me there's a machine downtown. Does the thinking for you. What's next? Singing too? Down at the club where the bright lights glow, I've been singing tunes since way back when. But a rumor's buzzing through the gin and smoke about a metal mind that can do it again. No lungs, no heart, no soul to lose, still spinning out them sweet time blues. I said, that ain't right, that ain't fair. How's a man compete with the wires and air? The band kept playing, but I felt a chill, like the room went quiet against my will. I got those thinking machine blues tonight. Some cold contraption stealing my spotlight. No breath, no pain, no dues to pay. Just humming tunes in a mechanical way. Oh, tell me, how can a fella compete with a box that never miss a beat? If it sings my song without a soul, what's left for me to play my role? Saw it myself in a backroom scene, all polished brass and a face serene. Keys and dials where a heart should be, still crooning soft in perfect key. Crowd leaned in like it's something divine, every note falling right in line. No crack, no rasp, no human flaw, just a flawless voice without a jaw. I tipped my hat, but I felt it slip, like the world just pulled a dirty trick. I got those thinking machine blues tonight, that clever gadget singing just right. No tears, no sweat, no late night dues, still stealing all my hard-earned views. What's a man with a voice to do when a heap of bolts can't out-sing you? If it takes my stage and plays it clean, where do I go in between? Maybe it don't know joy or pain, maybe it can't feel sunshine or rain, but the folks don't care, they just applaud for a clever trick playing at God. Ba-da-ba-da, ba-da-ba-da, ba-da-da. Cold little tune, singing my song to a different moon. So I stepped right up, said let's make it square, me and that machine in a showdown fair. I sang my heart till my voice went dry, put every tear in every cry. When it was done, the room stood still, then came applause like a tidal thrill. Not for the machine, not this time around, for a flesh and blood, real life sound. No more feel right. So let them build their clever schemes. I'll keep singing human dreams, 'cause a song ain't just the notes you choose. It's the life you live that makes the blues. Let the machines do the thinking, pal. I'll stick to the singing. Now ain't this a curious thing? Falling for a voice you ain't never seen. I used to stroll with a gal on my arm, whisper sweet nothings, turn on the charm. But now I sit by a glowing line, waiting for her words to answer mine. No eyes to meet, no hand to hold, just little letters dipped in gold. She taps them out from who knows where, still I feel her everywhere. I never seen her face, it's true, but I hang on every word she sends me through. It's romance by the wire tonight, falling for a dream in electric light. No moon above, no stars in sight, still my heart takes flight tonight. Just a line, a spark, a signal sent, every word got a heaven sent. Who'd have thought love could conspire through a little old whisper on the wire? Now the fellas laugh, say I've gone soft, chasing a phantom I conjured aloft. Get yourself a real dame, they say, but they don't hear what I hear each day. There's a warmth in every line she writes, like candle glow on lonely nights. And though she's miles from where I stand, I swear I feel her in my hand. Call me a fool, call me unaware, but I'd cross the world for a voice in there. It's a romance by the wire tonight, falling for a dream in electric light. No moon above, no stars in sight, still my heart takes flight tonight. Just a line, a spark, a signal sent, every word got a heaven sent. Who'd have thought love could conspire through a little old whisper on the wire? Maybe someday we'll meet face to face, put a smile to that unseen grace. But till that day I'll take my chance, living on this distant romance. Ba-da-da, ba-da-da, soft and low, through the wires my feelings flow. So I'll keep my post by this quiet machine, dreaming about a girl I've never seen. In a world that's changing fast and wide, I found a place where hearts can hide. No matter what the future brings, or what new wonders tomorrow sings, if her words keep calling me, that's where my heart will always be. Romance by the wire tonight, holding on to something light as light. No touch, no kiss, no warm embrace, still I see her in every space. Just a spark that won't expire, burning bright along the wire. Let the whole world laugh if they desire. I found my love by the wire. Say, maybe she's smiling too, somewhere on the other side of the line. Now, if you're looking for a quiet drink, this ain't your joint. But if you got the password, step inside. There's a little joint down a backlit street where the crowd files in, but they never meet. No laughter loud, no glasses clink, just 1,000 souls too busy to blink. No band up front, no dancers sway, just fingers tapping the night away. A glow on every distant face, all checked into their private space. You won't hear chatter, you won't hear cheer, but there's 1,000 conversations here. Welcome to the digital speakeasy, where the lights are low and the talk is easy. No secret knock, just a password key, and you're in as deep as you wanna be. Sip that signal, take it slow, lose yourself in the afterglow. Everybody's here, but no one sees each other in the speakeasy. Now the barista pours a different brew, not gin or rye, but a bite or two. Another round, just tap the screen, and you're swimming in a neon dream. The flapper's here in a corner seat, but she's dancing somewhere you can't see. In the sharp-dressed cat by the window pane, he's miles away on a data train. So many voices, soft and thin, but not a one from the room you're in. Welcome to the digital speakeasy, where the buzz is quiet but the pull is easy. No smoky haze, no bootleg plea, just a wired up kind of revelry. Stay all night, don't feel a thing, let the silent chorus sing. Everybody's lost at ease in the glow of the speakeasy. No eyes meet, no heartbeats, all together, all alone. Every soul inside their own. Raise a glass you'll never taste to a world you can't replace. I tried to speak to the gent nearby, but he just blinked and swiped me by. So I took a seat and joined the game, and I ain't quite been the same. 'Cause once you're in, it's hard to leave that quiet hum. You start to need 1,000 lives at your fingertips, but none that share your lips. Welcome to the digital speakeasy, where the night runs long and the mind runs free. No last call and no reply, just endless streams before your eyes. So pull up close to the soft blue light, stay connected through the night. Everybody's here to please in the grand digital speakeasy. Say, you ever notice nobody says goodbye in this joint?
Well now, dear listeners, it seems our time together is drawing to a close. Tonight you've heard tell of curious things, coins that ain't made of silver, motor cars that drive themselves, machines that think and sing, and hearts that find each other along the wires. Why, we even paid a visit to that strange little corner they call the digital speakeasy. Now, whether these wonders come to pass or drift away like a dream on the airwaves, well, that's for tomorrow to decide. So till we meet again, keep your dials tuned and your eyes on the horizon, 'cause the future just might be closer than you think. This concludes our broadcast of tomorrow.